Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Coinbase. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is open your browser, then open Coinbase on your browser. After that, you'll have two ways how you can buy BNB. The first way and the most easiest one is go to the trade section, and then right over here you will find BNB. So you can also search it on the search panel over here. Then what you will notice is sometimes you will not have the buy option right over here, but if you do have the buy option, you can just simply click on the buy option, then enter the amount of BNB that you want, and then complete the transaction after adding your payment methods. So that's the first option. And in any case, if you don't have the buy option, what you have to do is you have to open a DeFi exchange, like for example Uniswap. So over here, just simply go to this particular website called unicef.org, and then click on launch app. Now once you will be on this website, make sure to connect your Coinbase wallet with this website. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just simply click on the connect option, then connect wallet, then click on connect. Now once you will do that, you should have some amount of balance in your wallet, because you will be needing that. Now it could be Ethereum, USDT or any other crypto. Just simply choose any one of them and then click on select token, and then right over here just simply search for BNB. And then you will be able to see BNB right over here. Now click on this. Now right over here, just simply choose the amount of BNB that you want to buy for. Like for example, you want to buy BNB for 0.1 USDT, and it will show you how much BNB you will be getting right over here. Now once you've decided that, all you have to do is simply click on change or swap option right over here. Then a payment page will appear where you have to complete a transaction using your debit card or any other payment method available for you. So once you'll do that, within a few minutes or seconds, your BNB should arrive in your assets section right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.